Man here. Got a little midnight special repair for Mr. John. Came in, we had a burnt transistor, the input resistor, and then the output, the input splitter resistor, and then the output combiner resistor burnt. This was the burnt one, and the one next to it just charred, so I replaced it as well. But it was this particular one right here that was burnt. So what we did was, since it was a 1x4, we took the driver peel to have a match set. The beta gains pretty close to each other, and we put in one brand new 2290. I got pictures of everything, and I'll put some pictures up in between. So let's go ahead and show the pictures of everything. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. You see the tear down and the build of the new transistors. Put the new transistor in and rebuilt the board. Not really the board, but pretty much just put replaced the transistors, put some new resistors in. Just a little bit of tuning to it, not too much, but she's all back to par. Up here, demonstrate drive. Hello. There's 1,000 watt. We're in peak. 5 watt reverse to the antenna. And then 5 watt reverse back to the radio. All right. Let's demonstrate voltage. Now the amp meter does not work. We're not worried about the amps. It's just the voltage. So we're on 14 flat. Hello. 600 peak. Hello. Right there at 2 average for the midnight special. Small transformers, doing pretty decent. I was quite impressed with it. So. Let me show you reflect. 5 watt. So dummy load. Hello. Half watt. Hello. Now, this particular reflect is the most important. A lot of people's all about the antenna reflect, but this is the most important. This is what's coming back to the radio. This is what burns up radios and burns up amps. So that's 25 watt. This I wonder where the 25 watt slug went to. 5 watt in reverse. Hello. 1/8 of a watt. So, yes sir, Mr. John in the Bayou Country. He got one of my 2 peels on a raffle. He got this, and then we have a little he got on the Black Friday special. We got one of those coming up next. We're in the good old Tin Man shirt here. And I gotta get those out to everybody as well. We appreciate it. Anything I can do for you, let me know. There's the number, the email, the website. Ooh, funny. All right, I'm going. I'm back real quick for John's midnight special. I got new fans to go in here too. I forgot. He wanted new fans, so got new fans in it. Just forgot to mention that. All right, now we're going.